Have you ever thought about what information you have about country of Iran? Geographic location, neighboring countries of Iran, Iran in ancient times, province of Iran, capital of that, language, religion, weather, economic, tourist city, the most important features of this country among tourists. Foreigners are the most important points that we should know about Iran. Therefore, we suggest you accompany us by continue this video. In the name of God. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you have a good time. In this video I want to speak about Iran. I hope you enjoy this video. The country of Iran, with a very ancient history, is located in the Trans-Nahrain and Mesopotamia civilizations, as well as in the heart of the Iranian plateau. This country is located in the western part of the world's largest continent and in a rich oil region called the Middle East. In the northern part of Iran, it borders with the countries of Turkmenistan, the Republic of Azerbaijan, Armenia, and the Mazandaran Sea. It also has a water border with the Persian Gulf and the Oman Sea and the countries of the Persian Gulf from the south. It is bordered by Iraq and Turkey in the western part and Pakistan and Afghanistan in the east. As an independent country, Iran has a republican political system with an emphasis of Islam. And like all independent countries, it has club and national sports teams, a specific administrative and economic system, specific and classified organs, along with thousands of codified and written laws. It is for the justice system. Ancient Iran, nicknamed the land of Pars, is one of the oldest places where signs of human habitation can be seen. Even signs of human habitation in the Paleolithic period have been observed in this country. The settlement in this country dates back to 10,000 years BC. The kingdom of Elam is one of the most advanced kingdoms of ancient times, which ruled the land of Persia about 7,200 years ago and were later conquered by the Sumerian, then by the Assyrian, and finally by the Medes. The extinction of the Median rulers was accompanied by the establishment of the largest empire in history in the whole world and Iran, namely the Achaemenid Empire, which formed the largest political and social institutions in ancient Iran and led to the greatest freedom or religion in the history of the world. But unfortunately, this empire great and glorious. It was conquered by Alexander the Great, and after the land of the Persians was in the hands of the Seleucid Patrician and Parthian descendants. The Sasanian descent was the last organized government that ruled Iran before the arrival of Arabs and Muslims and completed the history of ancient Iran before Islam. Now I want to speak about Iran, how many provinces Iran has. Iran's national divisions have undergone significant changes in recent decades. In 1937, Iran had only 10 provinces, but their numbers increased to 31 in 2004. In this year, different parts of the country were divided into 362 cities, 918 districts, 24 30 villages, and 1060 cities with Tehran as the center until in 2009. Alborz province was added to the provinces of Iran, bringing their number to 33. The provinces of Iran in the alphabetical are these: East Azerbaijan, West Azerbaijan, Ardabil, Isfahan, Alborz, Ilam, Bushehr, Tehran, Chaharmahal و Bakhtiari, South Khorasan, Razavi Khorasan, North Khorasan, Khuzestan, Zanjan, Semnan, Sistan and Balochistan, Fars, Kazvin, Qom, Kurdistan, Kerman, Kermanshah, Kohkoloye and Boyrahmad, Golestan, Gilan, Lorestan, Mazandaran, Markazi, Hormozgan, Hamadan, and Yazd. Well, my friends, I will end the first part of the video here because introduce Iran will take a lot of time. In the next video, I will introduce other features of Iran. I hope you enjoy watching this video.